Want to start earning real money with your Facebook page in 2025? In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step guide to monetize your page using Reels and videos, even if you're starting from zero. Let's make your Facebook page your next income stream. Step 1. Understand Facebook's Monetization Rules 2025 update. Before you even think about applying, you need to meet the basic requirements. 1. 10,000 page followers. 2. 600,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days, from any combination of videos, lives, or reels. White heavy checkmark. 3. At least 5 active videos or reels published on your page. 4. Follow Facebook's partner monetization policies. No fake engagement, spam, or copyright violations. Pro tip: focus on short viral reels. Facebook is pushing reels massively in 2025. Step 2. Focus on viral short reels and long videos. If you want to hit monetization fast, here's the formula. Post at least 2 to 3 reels daily. Keep reels between 15 to 30 seconds, punchy, fast, and attention-grabbing. Mix in one long-form video over 3 minutes every week to boost total watch minutes. Use trending sounds and viral hashtags. HackProof secret tip: save 5 to 10 viral sounds inside Facebook Reels every week. Use them smartly to get discovered faster. Step 3. Set up monetization settings properly. Once you meet the requirements, go to Facebook Creator Studio. Navigate to Monetization. Apply for in-stream ads for videos and Facebook Reels bonus program. Connect a valid bank account or PayPal for payouts. Monitor your page status. Stay compliant. Warning: don't violate community guidelines. One strike can delay or block your monetization. Step 4. Grow smart, not hard. Here's what you should post. Educational content. Teach something simple and useful. Trending news, but add your unique spin. Funny memes and relatable reels. Behind the scenes or quick tips. Consistency is king in 2025. Post daily. Engage with every comment. Share your videos to groups. Bonus tip: diversify your income. After getting monetized, join Facebook Stars to get donations from your fans. Offer affiliate links in your post descriptions. Sell your own digital products or shout-outs. HackProof power tip: always build an email list from your followers. Don't rely only on Facebook. And that's it. That's how you can get your Facebook page monetized in 2025, focusing on reels and videos with a smart strategy. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to HackProof Academy.